What is it called? And today I'm back with a video. My head keeps getting still.
Ow!
I'm
Ow!
still
Oh,
on
God,
downwards,
Savannah!
but
Where'd you
today
go?
I'm doing
In
some
here.
slime
Look, back
challenges. So we have a homemade slime versus a stored jiggly slime. Okay? So the stored jiggly slime.
Congratulations on
This
finding
is
the
what
milk.
it
You're
looks
almost
like.
there. The next
It's
step, go
actually
to the
really kind
library
of
and
cool.
check every wall. Climb up
I
the
actually
secret ladder
quite
and
like it.
fall. A book of lullabies
But
awaits. Go, go,
when
go.
you
Where's the
break
library?
it, like, it's
Oh,
really
the
hard
library.
to
That's
get
the
back
new one.
into
Remember,
the
it's across from the juice
mix
bar.
of all the
Okay, awesome.
jiggly slime.
So it's right up
So yeah, I'll show you
These
how
things are like, there's a lot of activities are running around in
what
here.
it's
We
like.
better turn into babies.
Yeah, we better.
It's like a jiggly.
I mean, if once we get all of
I
the
think it's
items,
really
usually there's
not
some
like
sort of ritual we
weird
have to
to
do, or
play
something that
with.
we have to do all together.
Quite
And
fun
then it
to
happens,
play
and
with
then it's gonna
actually,
be
but
awesome.
it's like
Okay,
really weird.
let me become babies.
So comment down below hashtag #1 store slime if you think this one. And this one I haven't opened. So here is the homemade slime. Does everything slime wait slime to do?
Oh, I like
You can
it.
poke
I
it,
like
you can
I
make
like it. I'm gonna
bubbles,
get off.
you can punch it.
Oh, yes, and like another bottle full of milk. Oh,
I love
and you know,
poking it, I
baby
don't
food,
know
you don't
why,
even have
but
to chew that stuff.
I made this
Okay,
slime
listen
yesterday.
here. We are at the library, guys. Let's go and have a look around. We need to find
Very
the secret
soft.
ladder. Ladder. They said check every shelf.
Oh, there's a bookshelf here with just
So yeah guys,
How did you become a princess?
That was the
number
other one, yeah.
2 homemade slime, then comment this one.
Something in here that we don't know about.
One. And by the way guys, this is glue
there.
slime
So we're
from
looking for
Asda. It was
secret ladder, you
£2.50,
say. And what
and
would
then
the
all
secret
the
ladder
ingredients
look
for
like?
I think it's
this were
inside
£3.50.
a magic wall, you guys.
So yeah,
Okay.
which one do you think?
Every
1
wall.
or 2?
Oh, there's so many.
Comment down below guys.
possibilities
I
where
love you guys so
we
much,
can
and I
go
hope
there.
you enjoy your day.
What the
So yeah guys,
wall?
I'll see you guys
Where
next
would
time.
I hide?
Take some time on it.
No.
So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next
I
time
feel like
in
we
another
look like
video.
idiots. We're just walking into walls.
Like that. In another video.
Where's
I'm
the
actually going to check out Double Squad guys.
Where?
Oh my god, I was trying to say sorry, I checked my YouTube channel this morning and I have 40 subscribers.
Over here.
Let's get this to 45 please guys. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoy your day, like I said before. So yeah, see you next time. I'm doing some ASMR right now.
Oh, give me the green. Oh, hold on.